Hi guys, again this is another info for this kind of lock. This is an embassy lock, and it is really strong. Now the only setback of this is the latch bolt. Once the latch bolt is damaged, I cannot find. I have a hard time looking for a replacement uh, because a wiser latch bolt doesn't work. It's not compatible with it. Right? Not compatible. A medical latch bolt 2 is not compatible with this embassy Knoblock set. A normal latch bolt also not compatible with this kind of Knoblock set. But don't get dismayed. There is one remedy, and it just needs some compensation. You know, the small print is the latch bolt for a Yale Knoblock. It's a little bit small, but you don't have to worry about this because this is equipped with adapter. Okay, here. So for latch bolt for Yale, there is an adapter because most of the hole is 1 inch, and this is only 3/4. So all you do is need an adapter for it. And this little print, this Yale Knoblock set is the latch bolt is compatible with this embassy, right? That is compatible. The ear is fitting on the guard of the retractor. Okay, so for those locksmith who has some trouble in looking for a replacement when the latch bolt of an embassy lock is damaged and cannot be repaired, all you do for a substitute is a Yale latch bolt. So okay, so that's a short info, but very important because a wiser, a medico, a dorma, it's not the latch bolt are not compatible. Only a Yale Knoblock set. That's what I found as I go around and looking for a replacement of a damaged latch bolt of this embassy. This solved the problem. A Yale Knoblock latch bolt. Okay folks, thanks for watching. Good day.